Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to create your Apple ID in Google Chrome or your PC. Of course, you can do that through your phone, which is pretty simple, and it asks you in the phone, the first thing to do is actually to create your Apple ID. But in PC, it is more complicated or more harder than that. And if you follow me step by step, you will be able to create Apple ID as fast as possible. Now, first of all, guys, I will need you to go to your browser, which is pretty simple. Just go to your browser and then here search for Apple ID and then click on the first website that will appear for you. Here, this website is the official Apple website. Here you can log into your account, but in our case, we'll not log into your account. You will actually create a new account. So here, create your Apple ID. And here basically you can't really log in using, for example, Google or Facebook. You just have to fill all of these informations by your own. So for example, here put your name. So let's put some random names, birthday, random birthday as well. So something like 10 10 2010. Of course this is not legal, so let's make it 2000 and something like that. And here you must put the ID that you want, for example, something like that, and enter valid another choose as your Apple ID. So here it is, for example, and here you must put your password. For example, this is a password that gave of me by Google. So here it is, and then here some random number phone. So let's take temporary phone number from here, use this, and then let's copy this phone. So here it is. Let me just copy it. So here it is, and paste it in here, and just like that we have to fill this captcha, so somewhere like that, and click on continue. Pretty easy, right? So here we are, continue. Your quiz cannot be completed at this time. This phone number has been used too many times. Choose a different number. So basically, because I'm using a fake number, it is not really working for me. But overall, that's how you can actually create your Apple ID account. So, hey guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.